Welcome back to Road Legend, the channel where we bring you the most iconic and futuristic machines rolling onto the roads of tomorrow. Today we are taking a deep dive into one of the most ambitious motorhomes ever created, the 2026 Suncruiser X. This double-decker marvel is not just transportation, it is a moving piece of architecture designed to redefine luxury travel on wheels. From the very first glance, the Suncruiser X makes a powerful statement with its striking yellow exterior. The design is bold, aerodynamic, and futuristic, capturing attention from every angle. The smooth sculpted body flows seamlessly with curved edges and glass panels, making it look more like a concept car than a motorhome. The massive panoramic windows stretch across both floors, offering a commanding presence while reflecting the environment around it. The front of the Suncruiser X is a masterpiece in itself. With a wide glass facade and sharp futuristic lines, the vehicle looks more like a luxury yacht sailing on land than a traditional RV. The open lounge-style front balcony is built right into the structure, extending outward to create an inviting social space. This feature alone places the Suncruiser X in a league of its own, blending exterior elegance with functionality. As you move along the sides, you notice the precision in design. The body sits low to the ground with sleek wheel arches and large futuristic alloy wheels that add both stability and style. The dual-axle setup ensures smooth cruising even on long journeys. The side profile is dominated by uninterrupted glass surfaces, reflecting the modern minimalistic approach while maximizing natural light. It is a perfect example of futuristic automotive architecture where engineering meets lifestyle. One of the most impressive aspects of the Suncruiser X is its two-level exterior design. Unlike conventional motorhomes, this model incorporates an elevated second floor with an extended upper lounge section that projects forward. This design not only enhances visibility for passengers but also gives the vehicle a unique spaceship-like silhouette. When parked on a beach or in the countryside, it looks like a futuristic villa on wheels. Performance is another area where the Suncruiser X sets new standards. Powered by an advanced hybrid electric system, it delivers silent efficiency with remarkable torque for a vehicle of this size. The aerodynamic design reduces drag, improving efficiency on highways. The intelligent suspension ensures a smooth ride even on uneven terrain. This makes it equally comfortable for cross-country road trips or coastal highway cruising. The history behind the Suncruiser X is rooted in innovation. The project began as a vision to merge luxury living with futuristic transportation. Automotive engineers, yacht designers, and architects collaborated to produce a vehicle that pushes the boundaries of design. The 2026 version builds on earlier prototypes with a more refined structure, upgraded performance systems, and advanced sustainability features. Looking closer at the rear, the design continues its bold approach. The back features futuristic taillights embedded seamlessly into the bodywork. A large rear panel blends with the aerodynamic flow of the motorhome. The balance between sharp lines and smooth surfaces ensures the Suncruiser X maintains its futuristic appeal from every angle. Additional exterior features include integrated LED lighting that runs across the body, giving it a striking look during nighttime travel. Hidden storage compartments are seamlessly built into the structure to maintain the clean aesthetic. Even the door designs are futuristic with sliding mechanisms that blend perfectly into the body when closed. Every element on the exterior has been carefully designed to combine style, performance, and practicality. The 2026 Suncruiser X is not just about mobility, it is about making a statement. Whether parked by the ocean, standing tall in the desert, or gliding through a city street, it turns heads and sets new expectations for what motorhomes can be. It represents the future of travel where luxury, technology, and design meet in perfect harmony. That wraps up our deep dive into the 2026 Suncruiser X, a vehicle that challenges traditional motorhome design and sets the stage for the next generation of road legends. If you enjoyed this detailed look at its groundbreaking exterior, make sure to like this video, subscribe to Road Legend, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss our upcoming features on the most iconic machines of tomorrow. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next journey.